have you seen the elf on the shelf? Where? Over there? Wait, over there? Ah, we're gonna have to run after the elf and chase it. Are you ready? But if you see any obstacles, we're gonna have to jump over them and get low if you see a snowball. Come on, let's go. Keep running. There's the elf. Come on. Jump. Jump. Jump again. Duck. Whew. Duck. Good. Run. Jump. Do you see the elf yet? There it is. Run. Jump. Run. Jump. Duck. Woo. Do you see the elf yet? There it is. Come on, let's go. Run. Run faster. Jump. Oh no, the elf on the shelf just rolled his ankle. Luckily, he went to the doctor and the doctor gave him a candy cane to help him walk better. Did you know that the elf on the shelf loves taking pictures? Especially Elfies. We didn't catch the elf, but man, did we make our muscles and our minds strong by running and exercising. Thanks for working out with me. High five, friends. Keep making your muscles and your mind strong by moving. You are strong. You can do hard things. See you next time.
How many elves in the video did you count?
Do you know? Let's go see that video again.
Go with Yo-Yo!